Why don't you put 40-40 balls on both the sides? Because one of them is lighter than the rest, 40-40, all not balls are equal in weight. It is only one ball which is lighter than the rest of the ball. So one of them should be heavier and one is lighter. I know the defective ball is the lighter one ball. So I know this carries a defective ball. I'll break it in 20-20. Now this time this is lighter one. I'll break it in two parts. I'll write 10. Now say this is lighter one. Say this one is lighter one. So 10 should be broken up into 5-5. How many steps have been done? One step is done, two step is done, three step is done, and fourth step is done. Say this is lighter one. I'll break it in 2-2. If they are equal one ball I'm not putting here. I'll say this is the lighter one. Is that fine? So this is fifth step, you will get the answer. But what if it is lighter and this is heavier? If this is lighter, you are going to break in two parts. You will say 1-1. If this is lighter one, I'll say this is the defective one. So I know I will be getting my answer only after the 6 steps. I'm sure you are able to get it. When you are putting two balls on each side, if you are going to put two balls on each side, they are coming out to be equal. The ball that you have not used is the one which is lighter. And by keeping two ball on both the sides, Shivanshi, if one is heavier, one is lighter, the one which is lighter one is carrying a defective ball. Do you understand that? That I cannot divide 5-5 into equal parts, but I can surely divide it into two balls. If they are equal, the one that you have not used is the defective one. In 5 steps, you will get your answer. If one is heavier and one is lighter, you will say the one which goes up is the one which carries defective ball. You break it in 1-1. So how many steps are required? To be sure, I'll say it is 6 steps that is required. The answer cannot achieve by this way. This is just a hint. This is just to tell you 6 steps are there. So your answer needs to be less than 6. You have to think how. So now when the 80 balls are there, my dear, I'll divide 18 3 parts. I know 27 threes are 81. I will say 27, 27 and 26 balls are there. Don't divide it in 4 parts. Why? Because if it is divided in 4 parts, you'll first equate this, say they are equal. You will again equate it. In 2 times, you are going to eliminate the 60 balls. While if you look at this, if you are going to equate this, and this is lighter and this is heavier, in one case, this is not required to be weighted. And if they are equal, this is carrying the defective one. Do you understand this? I'm breaking it not in 4 parts. I'm just breaking it in 3 parts. Why? Because if the 2 parts which are equal, if they are equal, the defective is in the 3rd one. I'm not going to weight now the pan balance. I know the defective is in the 3rd one. If I weight 2, one is heavier, one is lighter. The one which goes up because the defective one is lighter, that will carry the defective ball. So I assume that 27-1, this is lighter. So I'll divide it in 3 parts. I'll say 9, 9 and 9. Say this is coming out to be equal. So I'll say this should be broken up in 3 parts. Because they are equal, the defective ball must be here. Don't weigh it with others. Just break it in 3 parts. If this is lighter one now, you are going to weight these 2. If this is lighter one, you will break 1, 1, 1. If this is lighter one, you will say the defective ball is coming out to be this. How many times you need to weight? First time, second time, third time, and 4th time. Only 4 times need to be weighted. That is what you need to do in this case. So I will say that only 3 times you need to break it. Though I have given you that if you break in 4, by using it, you are going to cancel the 60 balls. If you look at it, 1 time only, you are able to cancel either 54 or 53 balls. So that is the reason why it is much more effective rather than breaking in 4 or 5 parts. It's better to break it up in 3 parts only, because you are going to weigh just 2. If they are equal, the defective is in 3rd one. If one is heavier, one is lighter, the one which goes up is carrying the lighter one. You will break it in again in 3 parts.